Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files in ZArchiver. First, immediately stop saving new files to the device. This prevents deleted data from being overwritten, increasing recovery chances. If you use Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or Cloud Backup, check if the file exists there. Then, restore from the Cloud Backup if available. Next, install a reliable Android recovery app like Disk Digger, EaseUS Mobi Saver, or Dr. Phone. Grant necessary permissions to access your storage. Now open the recovery app and select your internal storage or SD card. After that, start the scan for deleted files. The app will list recoverable files. Next, look for files in the folder where ZArchiver stored them. Then, check file type and names carefully to identify your lost files. Finally, select the files you want to restore. Tap Recover or Restore and choose a safe location, not the original folder, to avoid overwriting the data. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.